On our previous lesson, we've learned all 10 basic vowels. Will you able to read these 10 vowels on your own? Now pay attention with the equivalent sound of each letter.
으, 이, 아, 야, 어, 여, 우, 유, 으, 유. Again. 으, 이, 아, 야, 어, 여, 우, 유, 으, 유.
Here's a tip to easily remember these vowels. We all knew that this short vertical line reads as E, E, and this short horizontal line reads as I, I. Now to simply remember the other vowels, just draw a plain square out of these lines. Now draw a short strokes in each sides.
아, 우, 어, 으. Now we have 4 letters already.
Tip number 2. To easily remember the remaining vowels, just simply add another short stroke in each letter.
야, 유, 여, 유. Again. 야, 요, 여, 유. Now we finally have 4 letters already.
For today's video, let's learn another vowels. But this time, we're going to talk about double vowels. Double vowels are the combination of these 10 letters. But lucky for us, they only have 11. Pero para dili lisod ug bugat para ninyo at para di kayo mahirapan sa kalisod, hahatiin natin to sa dalawa para di kayo mahirapan. First letter that I'll introduce to you is E. Looks like H in our alphabet, but this sounds E. E. This is more relaxed than E. 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 And then write it this way.
에, 에.
Second letter, yeah, yeah. Just add a Y sound on E to make it yeah, yeah. And write it this way.
예, 예, 예.
Third letter, E, E. This one sounds as E in our alphabet. And write it this way.
이, 이, 이.
Fourth letter, yeah, yeah. If this is A, just simply add another short stroke to make it yeah. And the order of writing is this.
이, 이, 이.
You know, it's very important as a beginner to follow the order of writing in Korean. Last letter, U, U. This one is a combination of U and E. So it sounds U-E, 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 U-E. This is a bit confusing at first glance because it may look like O. But to tell you, the horizontal line of O is written at the middle and a bit shorter, while the horizontal line of UI is located at the bottom part and a bit longer. They write it this way.
Ơi, ơi, ơi.
Napahirapan tayo ng konti dito. But anyways, alam nyo na of what is the difference between that letter. Now let's add a consonant in each vowels. Alam nyo ba kung paano at kung saan dapat isulat ang consonant? In our previous lesson, we placed it beside if the letters are vertical vowels, and on the top if the letters are horizontal vowels. So still the same guys, kailangan nyo lang tukuyin kung ang first letter is known as vertical or horizontal vowels. I have 3 examples here. Try to guess where to put the consonant. Have you guessed it right? In number 1, the consonant must be written beside the vowel because the first letter is known as vertical vowel or pahaba. In number 2 and 3, the consonant must be written above the vowel because the first letter is known as horizontal vowel or pahalang. Let's try to read it. Number 1, yeah, yeah, or yes. Number 2, wow, wow, or simply means wow in Korea. Number 3, where, or simply means why in Korean. Why you like that? Now you've learned 5 double vowels. Now let's read all the letters again. Eh, yeah, e, ye, again. Yeah, Now you've learned 5 double vowels, and on our next video, we're going to talk about the remaining vowels. Thank you for watching.